Gemini AI is like a super tool that can change how we interact with computers. You can use it to make really realistic chatbots, boost AI-powered software, and even understand the world better by analyzing data. Now, to start using Gemini AI, go to their official website and sign up for an account. Now, once you do that, they will give you a special key called an API key. Think of it like a backstage pass to all the cool stuff Gemini AI can do. Now, figure out the programming language you're using and grab the right Gemini AI library. This library is like a magic wand that helps your code talk to Gemini AI smoothly. Stick this library into your code, say hello to it by importing it, and share that API key you got earlier. This will set up a special connection between your code and Gemini AI. Now that you've got your key and library in place, you're all set to dive into Gemini AI's power. You can now use that API to make text, translate languages, write all sorts of cool stuff, or even get smart answers to your questions. And that's it. You've just learned the basics of using Gemini AI, from setting up your account to exploring its cool features. You're all set. Just keep in mind that the tech world is always changing, so keep an eye out for more exciting updates in the world of artificial intelligence. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.